Welcome to Corn Safety Equipment and Over. We're going to be showing a Chuck E. Cheese fire alarm system. We have a panel. The door just opened, so the thing just activated. My camera won't focus. It won't focus. There we go. We have a Wheelock RSS remote strobe over here, and a Wheelock orange strobe all the way over there. It's hard to see the orange strobe. We have a fire extinguisher for anyone who cares about fire extinguishers. And yeah. And emergency lamp and exit sign, of course. Both those are boring compared to fire alarms. No activation devices, by the way. Just a control panel, so the central panel will be somewhere in this complex. So the alarms seem to consist of a Wheelock AS, so far from what I can see, and an RSS. Yeah. Yeah, as I said, control panel. Yeah. So it is connected to sensors, of course. This also is probably connected to a fire panel, of course. So this is required by code to have an annunciator, and this is probably an annunciator connected to a commercial system. This is commercial, by the way. And as I said, over here, RSS. Yeah. Emergency lamps. The horn strobe, as I said, is super hard to see. But yeah, it's over there alongside an emergency lamp. Charles, can you not slam into me? I don't want to get slammed by a door, Charles. Okay, calm down. Or not. Please don't slam that at me. Okay, yeah. There's no other fire alarms. Like one of those weird people who like sprinkler heads. There you go, sprinkler head. And yes, it's exactly what I just said. It's a sprinkler head and there's nothing special about it. So look at the RSS. There are white versions of the RSSs. And I'm pretty sure the Wheelock ASs also have white versions. Yeah, I believe there's a red version of this thing too. This annunciator right here. Yeah. See? We have the main control panel. But yeah. As I said, exit sign. This is just a normal, unknown brand one. Nothing special. The normal. Oh. We have a Lufiana lighting emergency lamp. The only reason I was told because I was barely able to see the text on it. We also have the fire extinguisher, as I said. Better look. Pencil Century. Let's see. No inspection tags. This inspection tag, I guess. But yeah, we have the mount. We don't care about fire extinguishers, but yeah. Emergency lamp. And that's pretty cool. Subscribe, like, comment, share.